In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an epic to another project in Jira. If you're looking to reorganize your projects or simply need to shift responsibilities, moving an epic is straightforward once you know how. Let's dive into the steps together so you can accomplish this task efficiently. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the project where the epic currently resides. Once there, you will see a menu at the top of the screen. Click on Issues. This is your gateway to managing the various tasks and epic responsibilities associated with your project. Next, within the Issues section, locate the specific epic that you want to move. Keep in mind that an epic is essentially a large body of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks, so make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've found it, click to open it, which will bring you to the epic's detailed view. Now, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the epic view. Here you'll notice three small dots, commonly referred to as the More menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Move. Select Move to initiate the process of transferring your epic to a different project. This action will take you to a window where you'll specify the details of the move. The first thing you need to do here is choose the new project destination for your epic. Look for the New Project drop-down menu. When you click on it, a list of available projects will appear. Select the project where you want the epic to be moved. You'll also notice that there is an option to change the issue type of your epic, if necessary. For instance, you might want to transform an epic into a smaller task type, such as a story or a bug. This flexibility allows you to restructure your tasks as they move into the new project environment. After you've made these selections, click Next to proceed with the Move Wizard. The Move Wizard is a useful tool that guides you through mapping any necessary fields and workflows that might differ between the original and the destination projects. Ensure that all the mappings are correct to maintain data consistency. Finally, it's crucial to review all the changes you've made before you complete the process. Carefully check the summary page to avoid any errors and to ensure everything is just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with the configuration and mappings, confirm the move. And there you have it. Moving an epic in Jira can be seamlessly integrated into your workflow, making managing projects more flexible and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides just like this one. Thank you for watching and happy project management.